This video is brought to you by Lex, the official sponsors for cohort 11.
My name is Samson. I'm excited to bring you the latest updates of my learning process in Web3bridge cohort 11.
So the experience with my first week here at Web3bridge cohort, it's been an interesting experience in regards to knowledge acquired. So the great thing that I'm experiencing here is that it's not just our classes or our lectures are not just entailed towards building out smart contracts, sitting down and then mashing out code, but then like the theoretical aspects for us to understand the system itself that we'll be building on top, the Ethereum system, how it works, consensus, proof of stake, the properties, the features, security itself. Those are actually very pivotal information that I'm actually learning for the first time.
It's actually more interesting like regular classroom, coupled with the fact that what you're learning, you'll still be making use of it, not the regular classroom that you just have to learn and you won't see the practical aspect of it. So Bitcoin has been in existence and developers noticed that it has a certain limitations, which has to just do with only digital currency. Other things cannot be achieved on Bitcoin. So developers started making research on how they can actually build something or either adding on other features on blockchain that can help them achieve other things aside the digital currency alone. In December 2013, Vitalik released the white paper of Ethereum. And after a while, Dr. Gavin Wood, which is the co-founder of Ethereum, reached out to him. And they started the process of how they brought in Ethereum. July 2015, Vitalik and Dr. Gavin Wood released the first mind of Ethereum. And the aim of Ethereum was to decentralize everything, to make sure most of the features, most of the things are being decentralized. And Ethereum is actually a computer that is built that has a Turing complete build that is built to perform a Turing complete, which means it can actually perform everything. It can actually achieve most of the things which Bitcoin could not achieve. And Ethereum has like four stages.
The first being Frontier, Home State, Metropolis, and Serenity. Now, each of these respective stages of development is meant to introduce key features and developments to help sustain and make the product, the Ethereum chain, as strong as possible. And in between the respective pivotal points of development, they also have subsidiary cycles as well, or development or deployments that are made. One of it is Tangerine Whistle. This was a soft fork that was implemented to help curb issues or vulnerabilities found within the gas system that Ethereum uses for powering its transactions. And also a hard fork titled Sporous Dragon that was released to curb vulnerabilities that they found with DOS attack from bad actors, and several other development cycles in between. And to stay updated with us, please follow us on our social media platforms.